Hey gang, hope you're all well. It's another gloriously sunny day here in UK lockdown. I'm starting with 2 coats of Alaska, and that was cured, and now Bubblegum, Illuminate, Tequila Sunrise, Palm Beach, and Boarding Pass. And before I cure those, I'm going to tie-dye them together. I should have wiped my brush between each stroke, but I did this last night after several glasses of fizz, so clearly 0 fucks were given about doing it properly or neatly. That had a cure, and I'm now using blackout to just all the black line work. I'm flash curing as I go. I should have, with the tie-dye, before curing it, what I did when I did it on my client was wipe along the top, just a lint-free wipe with a bit of IPA on it. Just wiped a straight line across before curing so that there weren't any pokey up bits like on here, but I can rectify that with some more Alaska a bit later. So adding my lines, they're far too thick. Don't try and, replicate a nail by someone as awesome as Vina Nails Houston after drinking, because you will do it no justice whatsoever. Especially that bit on the left there, that's a state. But not to worry, we carried on, persevered. So those lines there I did in one go, but everything else was flash cured, and then it all had a full cure. And now I'm just going in and popping the colours on there. You can see with the pink that I can neaten up the point, the black point in the centre, because the colours are so opaque. The editing here is amazing. Like jumping all over the place. So here, oh no, I just scratched myself. I'm bleeding. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just scratched my nose and there's loads of blood. I suppose I should finish this voiceover before I bleed out. So this may be the last nail I do, because I scratched my nose. So this is Palm Beach, and I obviously purposely picked the brightest colours that I had, and the colours do differ from the Vina Nails ones as well, but any bright colours, you could do it with any colours obviously, but it does look quite cool with super bright colours. So just neatening everything up, adding some white to cover that bit at the bottom there. And was that it? Was that everything? No, we've got just outlining the bottom half of the nail, and then I messed up because I tilted it to the side and just got that all over the paper, so did that again. And then just, I think these are the last lines. These are a state. These 3 in particular are especially awful. I have a bit of a thing about lines being the same thickness the whole way. Like, I hate it when they taper out and just sort of wisp off. But I just made them super thick. But was clearly doing nothing to rectify it and sticking top coat on. So that was Diamond Gloss, of course, and that's it next to the other one we've done. I'll put a link in the description for the one on the left. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.